Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Microsoft Store update stock on pending in Windows 11 PC. Before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, open your settings, click on troubleshoot, click on other troubleshoot. Now you can see here Windows update. Click on run. Wait for completion. After completion, close this window. Again open your setting. Go to the apps. Click apps and features. Search here Microsoft Store. Click on 3 dot. Click on advanced options. Here little bit scroll down. Click on repair. Click on reset. Before resetting, read this sentence. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Then click on reset. After that, close this window. Then search here Windows PowerShell. Here copy and paste command. This command available on my video description. Copy and paste here. Then hit enter. After doing these methods, once you restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.